Hey everybody! Do you know about National Respect Day? Having respect for someone means that you show them kindness and that you're willing to consider their feelings and opinions. Showing people respect is also a way to help them feel safe and appreciated. When you show someone respect, you're letting them know that they matter, even if their feeling, opinion, or way of living is different than your own. There are different words we use every day that help someone know we respect them, and National Respect Day is a great time to practice them. We can say please when we're asking someone for help, or thank you when we want them to know we appreciate that help. We can even say excuse me if we want to get their attention or interrupt something they're doing for a moment. You can practice these words with your friends and family today. Happy National Respect Day! To enjoy our library of over 300 classroom videos, please visit www.wondergrovesocialskills.com or scan the QR code.